All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500 mid-roof, or low top, sorry, with 27,000 miles, I believe. Super nice. Power windows, power door locks. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper, as you can see, looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Your front passenger, boom. Your front driver's steel wheel, as you can see. Let's check out the tire tread. Boom. Over 7/32. Here it looks like the door ran somehow. Maybe they backed up into something. The door went right in here and created like a little crease there, as you can see it. Door opens and closes. See, so it doesn't hit the crease. All right, but just wanted to let everybody know that crease is there, not framed by any means. Can't really be there. Anyway, of course, this is you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips, vinyl seating. We jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with the 1-key key fob combo and owner's manuals. AM, FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, no lights on, any issues, and your mileage is 27,702. All right, keeping it moving. Some tape in here. All right. I don't know if I showed this rear wheel, but here's your rear passenger driver's steel wheel. And your tire right here is under 7/32. Let me double check it. Yes, under 7/32, about 6. Let's see. The quarter, both quarters look pretty good. There's a few little dings here, right there. They look like from the outside in, but just a few. Couple of dings there. What is this here? Some heavy scratching here. Pretty long one here, as you can see it. Boom. Everywhere you see the difference in paint. All right. Coming around, this rear door looks good. Lights up top are working. Looks good. This door here, as you can see, does have a cracking here on the panel. Boom. The rest of it looks pretty decent. See this side here, likewise. Looks pretty good. Has a cracking here as well. Just seen it. 3, 6, about 6 inches. Door seems a little dirty, but anybody can clean that up. Rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty nice. Your wheel wells look okay. Got a couple of dents on them here too, but it does have wood paneling on both sides to protect the walls, I guess. All right. Keeping it moving. This door looks good. All right. How about this quarter here? This quarter here looks pretty decent. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. The entire thread here is under 4/32. Let me double check that. Yeah, under 4/32. Yeah, just a hairline on the 4. Quarter and door look pretty decent. Has a little scratchy here. Boom. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Boom. Front driver's door, front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to it. Looks good as well. Front passenger steel wheel. And what that looks like in the entire thread. Under 4/32, double checking it. Under just a hairline on the 4. Lights are working. Truck is good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 27,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.